Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your retirement savings with Chime, complete guide step by step clearly. To recover your retirement savings with Chime, start by creating a Chime account. Visit the Chime website or download the Chime app from your app store. Fill out the required personal information, including your name, email, and social security number. Verify your identity by uploading any necessary identification documents. Once your account is set up, link your bank account to facilitate fund transfers. Navigate to the Savings section within the app. Explore the high-yield savings account feature that Chime offers. Set a savings goal specifically for your retirement. Review your monthly expenses and determine how much you can allocate toward your retirement savings. Schedule automatic transfers from your checking account to your retirement savings account. Monitor your savings regularly through the Chime app. Take advantage of Chime's Roundup feature, which automatically saves spare change from your purchases. Consider making one-time contributions when you receive bonuses or extra income. Utilize Chime's financial tools to create a budget that prioritizes retirement savings. Stay informed about any changes in interest rates or savings options provided by Chime. Adjust your savings strategy as needed to stay on track with your retirement goals. Finally, review your retirement progress periodically to ensure you are meeting your targets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.